The love for soccer has been a long tradition in John Klein's family. His father played at St. Louis University and coached him as he grew up. After Klein finished his 10 years career as a professional soccer player, he found his place at Columbia College as a head soccer coach. And this fall, after 16 seasons, Klein has finally got to coach his own daughter, Molly.
Now it's exciting. She's coming and we'll get to work together. It's a very competitive program. I think it's a great place for her to be.
Growing up watching her father coach, Molly also feels excited about being able to come back to the field that she's been always familiar with.
I would come to the Cougar camps when I was younger, when I was probably about 5 or 6, kind of got me on a team. We all just kind of grew up playing together.
As a soccer coach, Klein spends a lot of time with his children on athletic fields, but as a father, he also pays attention to find a good balance in their lives.
I think we manage ourselves well together outside of the sports environment too, and Molly has a lot of other interests. I'm really proud of Molly for the balance that she has in her life. I don't really feel that as a parent I've tried to over-influence any of those areas.
And Molly is very confident to have her father as her college soccer coach.
He never really put too much pressure on me or my siblings. A lot of people, kind of have big expectations for my brother and I, but, he's always been supportive and has always kind of been behind us on whatever we choose to do.
Now Molly chose to attend Columbia College and spend 4 more years on the soccer field, just like the expectation of a proud father.
I think we're going to enjoy this for now, and certainly it's a tremendous advantage to me to be able to see her and work with her on a daily basis.